From water supply to emergency response, transportation to parks, public works professionals are at the heart of making our cities thrive. PWX is where this incredible group comes together to share ideas, learn best practices, and discover some of the newest technology to help them do it even better.
They're using these machines day and night. It's not just 8 hours a day. It's 24/7, 365 days a year.
All right.
It's like a reunion for me to be able to see friends and colleagues and network.
There are so many things going on and we're so excited, so we're gonna go check it out.
We're kind of sharing conversations and seeing where there's certain synergies with our customers.
Congratulations so much.
Thanks.
Yeah, being
Appreciate
president, you being up there, I'm just so excited for your year. What do you have planned?
We're going to look at championing and empowering our members. Say hello to the camera, wave!
This is my first PWX. How many times have you been here?
So I've been here for 6 years. This will be my 6th one and I've loved every time I've been here. Well then, so if it's the first time, what are you looking forward to do?
Easy answer, but like soak it all in. Meet new people.
The role of public works goes far beyond maintenance, really shaping the cities and towns we live. Join us here on PWX TV to find out how public works departments across America are ensuring a better quality of life for everyone. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe.